Martial law victims appealed to the Supreme Court today to stop the impending burial of former President Ferdinand Marcos at the Libingan ng mga Bayani. Bryan de Paz will tell us why.
A group of martial law victims has filed a petition for certiorari and prohibition today. They are urging the Supreme Court to issue a temporary restraining order or writ of preliminary injunction to stop the impending burial of former President Ferdinand Marcos to the libingan ng mga bayani. Among the petitioners are former Congressman Saturo Campo and Nery Colmenares, Trinidad Herrera Rapuno, National Artist Professor Bienvenido Lumbera, Bonifacio Ilagan, Dr. Carol Arroyo of Bayan, and a priest Dionito Cabillas, Carmencita Florentino, Rodolfo del Rosario, Felix Dalisay, and Danilo de la Fuente. Among the respondents are AFP Rear Admiral Ernesto Enriquez, AFP Chief of Staff General Ricardo Visaya, Defense Secretary Delphine Lorenzana, the descendants of the late President Marcos represented by former First Lady, now Congresswoman Imelda Marcos. The group based their petition on the AFP Regulations G161-373, which states that a former soldier involved in moral turpitude or misconduct is not legible under Republic Act 289, which aims to honor the gallantry of the past presidents of the country. They also stressed the agreement made between the administration of former President Fidel Ramos and the Marcos family, where the latter agreed to bury the late president in Ilocos.
Labag din ito sa public policy at sa konstitusyon na nagre-recognize na ang plunder at pagnanakaw, ang human rights violations, ay isang pagkasala ng mga public officials.
The group of human rights victims is hoping that the court will issue a TRO before the scheduled interment. Meanwhile, the Malacanang respects such decision of the anti-Marcos groups.
We welcome that. As I said, this is a democratic country. Everyone has the right, privilege to express themselves. They can file a petition in court. But the law is very clear. You know, there is a regulation that says these are the people entitled to be interred into the libingan ng mga bayani. And among them, soldier and president.
Bryan de Paz, UNTV News and Rescue, Supreme Court of the Philippines.